Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we are going to explore a topic that's reshaping our global logistics and transportation landscape, the future of semi-trucks. We will discuss the shift towards electrically powered vehicles, the key players driving this change, and how it could impact maintenance and operations teams around the world. Stick around as we delve into the challenges and opportunities this transition presents. Now, let's dive into the future of semi-trucks, which is likely to include at least some electrically powered vehicles. The speed at which this change will occur depends on a variety of complex factors, not just in the United States, but around the globe. For example, countries that are actively banning gas and diesel-fueled trucks may see this change happen faster. Other factors that will impact the rollout speed include battery size, the weight of electric trucks, and the availability of charging stations. Let's take a moment to appreciate the trucking industry. It plays a massive role in the economy of our modern society. Manufacturing and distribution companies don't just rely on trucking companies to move products from one place to another, they also rely on them for inventory management systems. Plus, trucking companies have the critical responsibility of ensuring that their truck parts, like tires, are in strong working order so that customers receive their supplies quickly. However, it's important to note that semi-trucks consume a great deal of fuel and contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. While technology in recent years has made semi-trucks more fuel efficient and more environmentally friendly, electrically powered trucks can push this even further. Plus, professional training for truck drivers can improve communication within teams and ensure longevity within organizations. Now let's talk about the companies leading the charge in the development of electrically powered semi-trucks. There are several manufacturers racing to develop the technology to meet the growing demand for electric semi-trucks. Let's look at a couple of the frontrunners. First up, we have the Nikola Motor Company. This American company is working on fully electric, hydrogen-powered semi-trucks. They're currently promising that trucks will be able to travel between 500 and 1,000 miles per charge, and that a charging session will only take 20 minutes. They're even working on sleeper trucks and day trucks. Next, we have Tesla. This company, well known for producing electric vehicles, is designing an electric semi with 4 motors. This truck is supposed to accelerate to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds. The Tesla Semi should have a 500-mile range between charges. However, as exciting as the prospect of electrically powered semi-trucks is, there are many other factors that need to be addressed for this to become a reality. For example, a network of charging stations must be created to support the routes of these electrically powered semis. Additionally, businesses will need to revamp and adjust their fleet maintenance systems to manage the upkeep and maintenance needs of these electrically powered semi-trucks. So, while the future of semi-trucks is likely to be electric, there are still many details to be worked out. But with companies like Nikola Motor Company and Tesla leading the way, that future is looking brighter and brighter. Thank you for watching. We've covered the future of semi-trucks, the shift towards electrically powered vehicles, and the key players driving this change. Remember, the transition to electric trucks will require new maintenance strategies, and UpKeep is here to help. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources, visit us at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and keep powering the future.